Self, guys, you come across this kind of question in a test. The problem, guys, about this question, they need you to factorize. And what you know how to use a quadratic equation. So let me just use a quadratic equation, guys. Factorize something like this. Imagine that you're given something like this, then you want to factorize this thing. Then you can just press it on a quadratic equation, A, B, C. So here, let me just press try to show you something. And then say this, which is this, minus 2, which is, it's 1. So do you see what I get there? It's 3. So it means that this thing, I will take it, that 3 I will take it as in it is the answer for what? For A, guys. Meaning I will take it as in its answer for A. Then what about for the second answer? When here there is negative, it means that I will get minus 1, meaning another answer there will be minus that there. So here I should just make 0 there as the subject of the equation, meaning that 0 there will be the subject of this equation. That's my bracket A. Then now for this one there, which is this one, will be that, which is 0 there is representing the equation there, which is that it's your bracket B. Do you see? So that's how, guys, you factorize using a quadratic equation there. So I can just come here and write this thing down there. If you don't want to use a quadratic equation, just say open, and close. Then do you see that A? That A, it's A2, that one. A2. Then find the factors of 3, which is 1 and 3. Say bigger factor, take the sign of a middle term. Then if you see negative, they will have different sign, which is that it's positive, which is, that is the same as this one. Do you see? Yeah. Guys, just know how to factorize them, which is plus A plus this, which is A plus 2 over. But for this one, guys, this thing there, it is the same as that one. But then what you should do there, you should just take negative 1 as a common factor, so that you will divide here, it will be A, divide there, it will be negative 3 there. I hope you view my previous video there while I was showing you this thing. So this will get multiplied with that, meaning that now this equation there here will be negative, which is A minus, which is A plus 1, 3A plus A minus, and here it's 1 plus 8 divided by 3 minus 1. So now I have a chance for me, guys, to take a LCD, which is my LCD. It will just be, I will take everything there, but what is repeating, I take it once there. I count it once, then what is repeating, I count it once there. Meaning this one is my LCD, and that LCD, guys, it will get multiplied to a numerator there. Meaning it will get multiplied to what? To a numerator. Just like this there. Which is here, it's A plus, which is minus 3. Then say plus 3A, which is my LCD, will multiply to each numerator, which is A plus, oh guys, I'm always shorting with a space here, which is this, which is A plus and A minus, oh, it's 3, divided by what? By 3. But then now, guys, when it multiplies to 0, anything, guys, when you multiply with 0, you'll still get 0 there. Do you see? And now, guys, we are going to that process of cancelling. The one of cancelling, stretching, this stretch there, this cancel there. Meaning now this is what I will have there. After I cancel here, I will only have 3A minus 1, say plus, then for this one it's 3A, which is A minus, which is equal to, which is here, it's A plus there. So now this is what will happen. This will multiply inside this. Yeah, that one does no need for you to multiply here. This multiplied it's plus 3A squared. This multiplied it's minus 9A. This multiplied it's 2a minus by 2. So now I can collect like term there. Which one are the like term? This is a like term with this, with that. And a number to a number. So this is what will happen, guys. And please use your calculator, guys, so that you can be sure what I'm doing. This thing there will be 3a2. This with that and that there, which is this. Okay, this with that there, it's 1. This which is there, it's minus 8a there. Yeah, I'm sure, with no doubt. Actually, let me just press this thing, which is 3 and minus 9 and minus 2. Yeah, which is there, it's minus 8. Then here, this and that there, it's minus 3. So now in this case, now guys, what I can do, I can press this thing though on my quadratic equation, because this thing it's a quadratic there, meaning they will write it like this, and plus, and say minus squared minus 4, and here it's 3, which is minus 3 divided by 2 to 3. Yeah, I hope guys everything that I pressed the correct. What do I get? So it means that I get 3. So if guys I got that 3, let me just take that 3 there. It means for this equation now, that 3 there, it will be that 3. Then now what will be the other answer if I put negative? So it means that I will get a fraction there, which is, this is the another answer that I get there, which is a fraction. So now let me use these answers, guys, to factorize them. I will take this thing to the other side, become negative, making 0 there is the subject of this equation, meaning this one it's bracket a. Then now for this one to make 0 there is the subject of the equation, I will multiply by the denominator, so that this thing there will become like 3a, which is minus 1 there. If you press everything, they will give you minus 1. Take that one to the other side, meaning that 0 is the subject of this equation for bracket b now. Do you see? So now let me just take that bracket b and write it here, which is that thing that will become like a minus 3, and here it's what, it's 3 plus, which is 0 there. Then what I do there, I'll equate each bracket there by 0, applying a 0 law. Don't forget that thing, it's a 0 law, this one, which is this thing, all of this thing that I'll get positive 3 there. When I solve this thing, take that thing to the other side. But for this one there, what I will do, I will take this thing there to the other side, then it become minus 1, then I divide there by 3, meaning now a there will be minus 1 over 3. Do you see? All those answers, guys, are the one that I already got there on my calculator. Yeah. So now what about for this one?